Welcome to Rajah Ayurveda's Herbal Garden, where ancient herbs meet modern healing. Nestled in Kerala, India, we offer premier Ayurvedic treatments, including exceptional Panchakarma therapies, delivered by our dedicated team of Ayurvedic doctors. Our mission is to create a patient-focused, integrated healthcare system that achieves the highest level of patient satisfaction. At Rajah Ayurveda, we believe that the true value of Ayurveda lies in its integration into daily life, which is why the Rajah Group has established various institutions dedicated to this holistic approach. The aim of Ayurveda is protect health and prolong life to cure the diseases and maintain the balance of body functions. Ayurveda is a system of treatment that helps you age gracefully while being the epitome of good physical health. The system of Ayurveda is not only to enhance your overall well-being and good health, but also works on improving your holistic wellness. Ayurveda offers a framework within which can rework our lifestyles in order to optimize our bodily functions. This age-old healing tradition utilizes natural herbs and oils, all of which have immense medicinal value. The systems created go back to over 5,000 years of knowledge that has been passed down through the Vedas. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more information.